What's up guys, it's your boy Jordan back with another e-commerce video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how I found a $10,000 a day product on my Shopify store. And we're even gonna be going out and finding one together live in under 5 minutes. I'm gonna go over the simple criteria that I look for in a winning product. I'm gonna share the exact strategy that I use to find these products and how I go out there and validate the products to make sure that they have potential. So if you're trying to start your own online business and you wanna see more content like this, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. Now before we get started, I just want to show you some results that I'm generating using this exact same strategy. So you can see that it is the 12th of January and I have already generated over $94,000 in sales with my online store. I found this product using the exact strategy we're going to be going over in this video, and I'll do a quick refresh for you as well so you can see that this is 100% legit. Before we find a product together live, I just real quick want to talk about the 4 criteria that I look for in any winning product. Every single successful product that I've seen in my journey has these, and you cannot have a winning product without having all 4 of these. So make sure you listen very closely. The first criteria is look for products that are already selling well on Amazon or on other dropshipping stores. The logic behind this is very simple. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. We want to look for trends that are already happening in the market and figure out how to add our own unique twist on them so we can capitalize off of what is already working. The second thing that I look for in any winning product is the opportunity to mark up the product for 3 times the cost that we get it from our supplier. This makes running Facebook ads so much easier because it gives you a healthy margin to spend a good amount to acquire a customer. Every single winning product that I've ever sold has had a 3x markup, and if you're trying to sell something with less, it is extremely difficult. So make sure that you can sell it for at least 3x the total cost of goods plus shipping. The next thing you should always be looking for is room for improvement on that existing competition. This is just simple business 101. Let's say you wanted to start a burger restaurant in your neighborhood, but there was already somebody selling the same exact food. The only way that you would be able to make a business out of this is if you improved on the service that they were providing, the quality of food that they were providing, or perhaps the ambiance inside of the restaurant itself. It's no different with an online store. If somebody else is already selling a product at scale, you need to think about how you can do a better job marketing that product, how you can make a better website, or maybe just find a product that's a little different than the one they're selling so you can capitalize off of that trend. And the last thing you want to look for is find products that improve the quality of your customer's life. It's so much easier to get somebody to spend money on a product if they can see a clear benefit of purchasing that item. So make sure when you're picking products, you find things that clearly have a benefit in the eyes of the customer, and it's going to be so much easier to sell those products. That's the 4 criteria I look for. Make sure it's already selling well. Make sure you can mark up the price at least 3x. Make sure that there is some room for improvement or a unique angle that you can take, and also make sure that the product improves the customer's life in some type of way. All right, so now let's hop onto the computer and let me show you exactly how we can find one of these products, and let's try to find one together and see how fast we can do it. All right, so there's a ton of ways to go out there and find these winning products. This is not the only method, but this is the exact method that I use to find my winning product. So we're gonna go through that now. If you're looking for more methods to find winning products, like if this one isn't working for you, for example, I'll link one of my other videos down below where I share a few other methods that you can use. But you guys should start out on Amazon, as I believe that this is one of the best tools to find winning products on. So you want to go to Amazon, you want to go to the top left, and you want to click on best sellers. When you're on the best sellers tab, you want to click on this right here, the movers and shakers tab. If you're not familiar with this, it's basically just showing the products that have grown the most in the last 24 hours, so you can find products and trends that are on the rise. Now, there's a couple categories in here that I like more than others, and I'm going to share those with you now. Every category that I'm about to share with you, I found a winning product in. So the first one is baby, the next one is beauty and personal care, the next one is health and household. There's a lot of really good products there. You have home and kitchen as well. And for the last one, we have electronics. Now, a lot of these products have potential, like pet supplies, sports and outdoors, tools, but those categories are just my favorite. So for today, we're gonna pick a random one. I say we'll go with health and household, and we're just gonna scroll and look for something that fits on our criteria. So something that's selling well, something that improves the life of the customer, and I'm gonna look for something a little more expensive as well so we can mark up the price. So obviously, like, we can't drop ship garbage bags and what do you call this, mouthwash and wipes. Like, we can't do anything with that, but we're looking for a product that I know I can find on AliExpress. Like, we have this water floss teeth cleaner. I don't necessarily like this product that much. It's not very unique. What is this one here? This one actually looks pretty cool. This is a scale, and on the scale it actually connects to your app, so you can see like how you're doing with your fitness goals. This is something that I would even buy myself. And you know, funny enough, it's January, right? It's a new year, and everybody's trying to get their fitness on. Everybody's trying to change their bodies going into the new year. New year, new me, you know what I mean? So I think that this product could actually be pretty sick. Let's go through the rest of the process and see if it checks off the other boxes. So obviously they're selling it for 20 bucks. Now, we're not gonna be selling this for 20 bucks on our store. We could definitely get away with selling this for more. The first thing I like to do when validating a product is going to Google Trends. So you wanna go to Google Trends here, and you wanna type in this type of product that you're looking at. So we would probably wanna call this, a smart scale. I think that would do very well. So we'll go ahead and put that in the search bar. And look at that, guys. You can see that this thing is at its highest right now. It's at 99. If we go scale in general, let's see what a scale is looking like. It's still pretty good. It's around 75, it's around 80 every single month, and that's all year long. So that's a great sign. And then if we go to gym, you know, it's January, you can see that that as well is doing just fine in this time. But the main term that we're looking at is smart scale, and you can see that it is at 100. So this product is actually looking really good. Let's go to AliExpress and see what we can find for this product and maybe think about how we can mark this up. So let's go ahead and search smart scale. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of these pop-ups, sort by orders, and see what comes up. So this one actually looks quite nice right here. So does this one. We'll open up both of them. I don't like how this one looks. I like how this one looks more. This one looks more clean. I would put this in my house. And shipped from China, it's 25 bucks. So if we go 25 times 3, that's $75. So we could sell this product for around 70 bucks. And I think that it could actually sell. We're gonna do some validation on that shortly. Let's see what the other one costs. Yeah, this one we can sell for around 60 bucks. So $60 to $75 is the price range that we're looking for. So we found it on Amazon, we validated it on Google Trends. Now we know what price range we're looking for. The last step in validating a product is going to Google and seeing if there's people selling it for that price point. And you can see, boom, 90 bucks here, 90 bucks here, 80 bucks here. This product really has potential, guys. I think that something like this can do extremely well. You look at this brand right here, we'll see what numbers they're bringing in, selling the product for $90. Let's click on SimilarWeb right here, and boom, you can see that these guys are doing around $200,000 visitors a month on their store. So I think that we could absolutely sell this product. I think it's a great product for the new year. Something like this is unique. I've never seen it at a store personally, and it's a great marketing angle, you know? Start your new year off right, track your fitness goals with the smart fitness scale. Something like this could absolutely crush. So I would totally believe that you can get this product to $10,000 a day. I mean, let's do some simple math here, right? 10,000 divided by 90. You'd only have to sell like 100 of these a day to get to that level, which is a very achievable goal. For me, with my product right now, we sell around 200 to 300 of them a day to get to around 10K. So this is a pretty simple product to get to that level, and I think that we have absolutely found ourselves a banger here. There you go. That is exactly how I found my $10,000 a day dropshipping product, step by step with everything revealed. Now, before I end this video, I want to show you one more thing that can really help you out in starting your own online store.
But wait, there's more.
So the method that I shared with you today is the same exact strategy that my product research team uses inside of my software, the Viral Vault. Every single day inside of this software, my team is delivering 2 high quality winning products with everything that you need to sell them. So let's take a quick look real quick. So if we go to the trending products tab, you can see that literally 2 new products are being added every single day. And all of these products are products that are actually going viral and selling well right now. So you can see this one here has $11 cost of goods. You can mark this up for $30. If we click on the competitor's ad, once this loads up, you can clearly see that this is something that is going viral and selling right now. You can see it has 82 comments, 6,000 likes, and 200 shares. We provide you with the suppliers, some Amazon listings, and even a video ad so you can go out there and start marketing this product yourself. So if you ever want to start your own dropshipping store, this tool is going to really help you accelerate the process. Along with the products, there is a crash course sharing a step-by-step beginner strategy to getting your first store up and running. So you can click the link down below to check out Viral Vault. It's very cheap compared to the amount of value that you get, and you even get to hop on a weekly coaching call with me inside of our private Facebook group. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.